Hey guys, I am about to attempt the no burping challenge that JaLee Odom created, and I reached out to him and said, look, I don't be doing all that soda. Like, they had 2-liter sodas, guzzling them down. I'm like, can I use sparkling water? And he's like, yep, sure can. So here I am. I seen As the Tube Turns did it. She had, I think, grape Fanta. My sis, I need you to do that again because you said you was going to do it again. So we waiting. You guys, these are hilarious. You guys got to go check them out. Mama TK, whoa. Her and JL, they like neck and neck with the loud burps. They both made it very far with their 2 liters. Who else? Keeping Up with the Joneses. She did it with her grandson, and he tapped out. He was like, I'm done. My stomach hurt. So I've been trying to like watch them so I can get some pointers. So I don't have an empty stomach. I don't have a completely full stomach. I don't know if I'm going to drink it fast or slow. This is my first time trying the Polar sparkling water, and this is in black cherry. So let's see how it goes. Now, Lil Diva was supposed to do this with me, but it's just me solo, Mama Diva. And maybe she'll do it on her channel. So, oh my gosh, look at all those bubbles. It looks like it's about to overflow. It keeps rising to the top. Okay, hopefully I can make it right here. Like the ones that had the 2 liters, they went down to the label to like the first letter. Y'all gotta see JaLee. And his burp had Lil Diva dying laughing. Hopefully I don't burp that loud. Hopefully I can make it to the label at least. This is 1 liter, so they had a 2 liter. Yeah, we'll see. Because I feel like I burp easily, especially with carbonation. Shoot, even the mukbangs when I have water only, I will burp easily. I just try to hold it in, or I'll like release it slow. Okay, enough stalling. Let's get to it. Do I drink it fast or do I drink it slow? Like, everybody had a different technique. Okay, let me stop stalling. It smells good. I hope it's not nasty. Here we go. Okay. Excuse. I told y'all. That was pathetic. I couldn't do it. Like, this is strong. First of all, it was burning my throat. And it went straight to my belly. I could feel it like go straight to my stomach. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to do it again. That one didn't count, okay? Act like you didn't hear that. Let's try this again. I think you need to do it slow. I'm gonna sip slow. Here we go. Okay, you guys need to try with the salsa water. Like, the moment I stop drinking, I feel like I want to burp, so. give up. I know I told y'all I was gonna burp early. So, and those were little burps, but a burp is a burp. And I'm doing it little because maybe as soon as I press stop, I'll be like, burp. And I want to burp like that on camera. So if you haven't tried the No Burping Challenge, give it a try by JL. I'll link his channel below. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. And yeah, make sure you guys go check him out. He has, to me, he has like a very soothing voice. Like his voice is deep, but it's like smooth and soothing. He should do like voiceovers and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, give this a try. You can use salsa water, sparkling. I don't think you could use sparkling water. Like Perrier, I could drink that without, you know, well, I probably couldn't burp. I will burp off that, but this is strong. Like, you have to use salsa water, carbonated water, if you're going to do carbonated water, if you don't want to do soda. Whew, this isn't too bad, but it's just strong. Like, this would be good with a little bit of those drops. You know, the drops. Be like your own makeshift soda. But the black cherry flavor is subtle. So, that's it. That's all. I did not get to where I said I was, and I'm barely at the label. So, there that goes. And I feel like I need to burp again. So, I'm out. In the meantime, and in between time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys. Sorry. I was trying to hurry up and get that out, and I caught myself talking lower. But yeah, give this No Burp Challenge a try. And in the meantime and in between time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video.